Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. As you know, we started our revision sheet, doing our revision sheet. In that revision sheet, we completed 2 chapters and 1 poem. Today, we are going to do our chapter 3. Chapter 3 name is The Elders of Chem. That is a play. प्ले मीन्स ड्रामा जैसा है और वहाँ पे एक नरेटर भी है. कैरेक्टर्स है नरेटर, 7 elders, बॉय एंड विलेजर्स पुलिस. 1 2 3 4 5 6 कैरेक्टर्स आर देर. नरेटर मीन्स जो स्टोरी बताने वाला होता है ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, नरेटर. और 7 elders, boy, villagers and police. Okay. Now the elders of Chem. The village of Chem had 7 elders as its leaders. These elders were always holding meetings and thinking. One day the second elder rushed into a meeting with some bad news. The moon had fallen into a barrel of water. Everyone was alarmed and went to have a look. They saw a reflection of the moon in the water and thought that the moon had really fallen into the barrel. They brought all the villagers to see it. Everyone wondered what could be done. Then the first elder had an idea. They would they would close the barrel so that the moon would not able to escape. It would belong only to them. So a lid was brought and the barrel was closed tightly. The next day, everyone gathered again to see the moon. The elders opened the lid of the barrel, but it being day, they could not see the moon in the water. They were very puzzled and wondered how and where the moon could have disappeared. They decided that it must have been stolen and called the police. The police searched and the elders thought, but they could never find out who stole the moon. Okay, this is our chapter 3 summary. In that summary, there is a village of Chem. There lived 7 elders. They were interested, always holding meetings and thinking. Then one day what happened? Second elder came to them and he said that the moon has stolen. Sorry, he bring a bad news. That news was the moon had fallen into a barrel of water. What news he brought? He brought a bad news. That bad news was their village moon was fallen into the barrel. Then everyone was alarmed, means everyone alert. सब लोग बहुत ही चौकन्ना होके देखने गए. Then they saw a reflection of moon in the water. They saw that reflection of a moon. Then they called the villagers. Then they thought moon would be escape from the barrel. So they closed the barrel tightly. Then next morning they came there. Then the moon was not there. This in day you will not see the moon. Is it correct? You only see the moon at night, and that is only reflection at their barrel. So they thought moon had been escaped from the barrel. So they called the police. Police searched everywhere, but they did not search the moon. Still find out who stole but they could never find out who stole the moon. So always they were busy in thinking again and again. They were busy to think that who stole the moon. This is the summary of chapter 3. Chapter 3's name is The Elders of Chem. Okay, some question answers are there. You have to write that question answers in your revision sheet. Okay, now you have to open your revision sheet. I am going to explain your revision sheet. While you are listening this video, please open your revision sheet. Whatever page number I am going to tell you, you have to open that page, because these pictures are not clear in my phone. So just I am reading from my original copy, and you have to keep with you your revision sheet. This is just for your idea. This picture is my mobile picture is for your idea only. You have to open your revision sheet always whenever you are listening my video. Okay. Now come to the page number 25. Come to the page number 25. The chapter 7, The Elders of Chem. Important notes. To serve folk tales, to identify the story funny or sad, how to behave with people who are elder than you. Okay, these oral stories are always popular. Okay, this chapter, while we will learn this chapter, that time we will know that दिस इज़ अ फोक स्टोरी, मीन्स एक जानपद कथा है, मीन्स ये मुँह बोली है, किसी ने लिखा नहीं है इसको, ये तो मुँह बोली, मेरे दादा ने आपको सुनाया था, मैंने आपको सुनाया, ऐसे मुँह से बोलते हुए. देन हाउ टू बिहेव विथ एल्डर्स, आपसे बड़े लोगों से आपको कैसे बिहेव करना चाहिए ये भी सुन सकते हो. देन ओरल स्टोरीज आर ऑलवेज पॉपुलर. ओके, ओरल स्टोरीज ऑलवेज पॉपुलर होते. एवरीवन कैन लिसन दिस वन. आपको रिटर्न में हो तो उसको रीडिंग और राइटिंग जिसको आती है वही वो स्टोरी रीड कर सकते, बट ओरली एवरीवन कैन लिसन दिस स्टोरी. सो ओरल स्टोरीज आर ऑलवेज पॉपुलर. ओरली जो बोला जाता है वो बहुत ही पॉपुलर हो जाते हैं वो स्टोरीज. आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. वेयर डिड द सीन टेक प्लेस? Where did the scene take the place? Okay, the scene take place in the village of Chem. Who were the elders of Chem? 7 elders were the leaders of Chem. What did they love to do? 7 elders loved to do meetings. What was the problem they faced? They have to think and find answer to many problems. What did they find inside the barrel? They found moon inside the barrel. How did they solve the problem? They gathered the meeting and solved the problem. What happened the next morning? The next morning, moon was escaped from the barrel. Okay, this is the answers of page number 25 and 26. You have to copy from this in your revision sheet. Listen my video carefully. Whatever is said to you, you have to follow that instructions properly. Now come to the exercise 2. Mark against the correct sentences and wrong for wrong statement. Okay, now first statement is the elders of Chem. The elders of Chem were ruler of the village who held meeting and solved the. No, it's a wrong. They are not rulers, just they were time passing, so it is a wrong. Second one, the villagers believed that the moon had fallen down from the sky into the barrel of water. Yes, correct. The fifth elder ran to, it's a wrong. Second elder ran to them, na? Then fourth, the elders scratched their head and wrinkled their forehead when they were thinking. Correct. Then fifth, the elders and villagers searched the moon for the moon was stolen. Okay, it's incorrect. It is disappear only. Okay, now come to the scene passage, page number 28. Okay, scene passage 28 is scene passage 1. First elders, we should close the barrel so the moon will not escape. Narrator. The barrel is sealed tightly. The next morning, the villagers gather to see the moon again. The elder lift the lid and first elder, the moon is not here. Where is the moon? This is the scene passage of your chapter. This is the scene passage of your chapter 3. You have to do answer yourself. Who lift the barrel? Okay. Who lift the barrel? First elder. Okay, the barrel is sealed tightly. The next morning, the villagers gather there. Elder lift the lid. Why the villagers gather again? To see the moon. So they gather there. Okay. So they gather to see the moon. To write two plurals from the passage. Write two plurals from the passage. Villagers and elders. Okay. Now write opposites of these. Open, close, sun, moon. These are your opposite words you have to write. Now your work is you have to do page number 25 and 26. 27 matching is not written there, so no need to do anything there. And page number 28 you have to solve yourself, and whatever any query or any confusion is there, please call to me 5 to 7. And first, whenever you are going to listen this video, you have to open revision sheet and your textbook. Okay, you have to read first your chapter 3 from your textbook, then start doing in your revision sheet. I hope you all will do very properly. Thank you.